Let me ask you something. Would you build your dream house on sand? So why build your online business without a solid foundation? Today I'm going to show you how to create a digital presence that generates traffic, clicks, and commissions. Hey, I'm Scott from Spring Hill Fox, and if you're diving into affiliate marketing, or maybe you've been splashing around for a while with no big ways, this is the framework you've been waiting for. So let's build right from the ground up. Number one, your online headquarters, the digital home base. First things first, your online presence. Whether it's a website, a blog, or social media profile, this is more than just a page on the internet. It's your digital storefront, the place where potential customers will form their first impressions of your business. Think of it like this. If people don't know where to find you, they can't find you, right? Create a platform that not only showcases your affiliate products, but also build trust. And no, you don't need to be a web developer. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or even Linktree can get you started. Part 2, mastering the art of content creation. Here's where the magic begins, people. Great content turns a silent page into a conversation and a stranger into a follower. That means blog posts that solve real problems, YouTube videos that teach, entertain, and inspire, social media updates, capture attention, and emails that keep your audience engaged. What should I post? Use your audience's questions as your compass. They're your North Star, guiding you towards the content they want to see. And don't forget to weave your affiliate links naturally, and no one likes a hard sell. Part 3, a hidden engine. SEO power moves. Now let's unlock the real traffic gold, search engine optimization. SEO is how your content gets discovered by people who are actively looking for what you offer. With the right keywords, structure, and strategy, you can get free targeted traffic day and night. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm blog titles and social media captions, or even perform basic keyword research. Here's a tip. Focus on long tail keywords, phrases your audience is already typing into Google right now. So, if you're serious about building a lasting affiliate business, remember to start with a strong foundation. It's the key to your success, a presence, a plan, and content people want to engage with. The clicks will come, the commissions will follow, but first, you've got to build it. And hey, if this helped you clarify your next steps, hit that like button and subscribe for more no fluff strategies. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below. I read them all. And if you want my favorite tools to get started, check the descriptions below for free resources. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.